Welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're down here at the creek. We're gonna fish for some brown trout. It's mid-afternoon, in the 20s. Let's see what we can do. Stay tuned. The lure choice today is going to be power bait, 3-inch minnow. Just like every power bait has that stinky smell to it, so hopefully it'll attract some of these trout. And the jig we are using, it's a 1/16 ounce jig head, Eagle Claw. So let's get rigged up and we'll get right at it. Alright guys, here's what it looks like. Like I said, the 1/16 ounce of a jig head here, the white color, with the power bait 3-inch gulp, or I'm sorry, not gulp, 3-inch power bait minnow. See that, guys? I'm so used to those gulp minnows, but it's something a little different today. First cast. Very cold today, guys. It's in like the low 20s right now. About 12 in the afternoon. I don't know if that was a bite or not sure how these fish are going to hit. Water temperature is probably, you know, like 37, 38 degrees, I'm guessing. Very cold. Alright guys, been fishing now for about 20 minutes, no bites. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to switch it up to 2.5-inch gulp. This is the lure I usually use. The lure I was using last time I was here, which I got a few hits as soon as first few casts, so see if it makes a difference. Quietly come over here. One just hit it, guys. Alright guys, I'm getting a couple bites here, but they're just nibbling on the tail. So I'm going to put a rooster tail on here and try to throw this. I got 2 bites right in this little section. There's one, guys. Look at that little brownie. Look at him. Look at this beautiful fish, guys. I'm gonna head back over here on the other side so I don't have to walk down the pipe. Hopefully I can get down there though. Well, guys, it looks like we gotta whack the pipe. I can't reach to where I want to be on that side. Just gotta be careful here. Whew, that's scary. Especially when you're out here by yourself. Alright guys, this looks pretty juicy here. Nice little deep section. There's one, guys. Little brownie. Lost my net, dropped it somewhere in my travels, so I'll have to do the rest of this fishing adventure with no net. That's okay. Look at that one, guys. Nice wild brown trout there. And there he goes. Alright guys, we're going to start heading back. We'll hit those same holes that we got some bites and where I think there might be fish. And I'm also going to try to go the same way back that we came. Hopefully I can find my net. It's a $50 net, so I don't want to have to buy another one. So back across the pipe. Alright guys, we're going to try over here. Before we went around the pipe, I did go this way first, so maybe I dropped it on this side. And I could have swore I had it before I went over the pipe, but could be wrong. Look guys, there it is. There's my net. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. There's one, guys. Yeah. Nice one too, guys. Wow. He like inhaled that. Oop, popped right out. Got out of him. Beautiful brown here, guys. Look at that brown for a creek. Unbelievable. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful fish here. There he goes, guys. Here's one, guys. Nice one. Look at that brown, you guys. It's a nice one too. Look at the colors on him. Where did you hook yourself, bro? Look at this guy. Is that my line wrapped up in you? No? I think you just broke me off, didn't you? What a beautiful fish, guys. There he goes, guys. Throwing it right in that waterfall, guys. Got another one, guys. Oh, it came right off. This one, guys. There you are, right under that waterfall. All right, easy, easy, easy. Not even gonna touch it, buddy. There he is, guys. Beautiful brown trout. There he goes. Well, that's gonna do it, guys. We caught, I think 5 total. Lost a few at the end under that waterfall, I think just because my hook was bent and I didn't even notice it. But I'm definitely gonna check this creek out again. Probably definitely gonna wade. I didn't want to wade it today because it was freezing. So, and then where that tunnel goes, I'm probably gonna go the opposite direction, and maybe my next video to see where that leads, and hopefully we can find some deep pools in that area as well. So, but it was, all in all, it was a good day. Thanks again for watching, and please, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do as well for future content. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.